Okay. Okay, so I'm downloading for the meantime. So I'm gonna start with the first one here. So what I'm gonna do today, guys, is I'm gonna edit. I will try to finish all the pending videos that I will need to work on today and some scripts in the private community. So I hope you can hear me and the music is not too loud because the last time the mic is too slow or I mean so what do you call this? So this is the last video, I guess. So I'm still downloading the second and third one. So let's start with the first one. So I already copied my folder templates, my project templates. So this is, I believe, the folder. So this is the one. So let me just paste it here, and that's it. So this is where my template is. So all I need to do is I'm gonna copy this name here for the short so that I know that it's shorts and it's for the February 5 batch. Um, this is actually just a system of mine, how I work on with this particular client project. So all I need to do is open it up and it will open up. That error, by the way, if you notice that it's I believe a preview files for the templates, because I have saved here um, sequence as my old sequences for this particular project as a template. So these are those ones. So since I'm working on a shorts right now, so I'm gonna exit on the other ones. And let me just make it lower in volume. So this is my short form template. So I'm gonna drag my media. So I think all has been, I think everything has been downloaded. So it's here. So hopefully it's not cut, or it's not it was not interrupted, because last time, if you noticed the previous one, it was interrupted and I downloaded like a cut media, or it was interrupted. So now let's drag all of the ones that I'm going to edit, and I'm gonna start with, I think this is the one. So first things first is I wanna create proxies for this. So it should run the media encoder. So here it is. It will automatically run. exit on the Adobe Media Encoder. So the first thing I want to start with is this one. So all I need to do is the same thing as before. Render it.
Do you want a tool that can simplify your WordPress development process? Well, worth considering. Instant WP is a lightweight. Do you want a tool? Do you want a tool that can simplify your WordPress development process? Well, Instant WP is worth considering. Well, Instant WP is worth considering. Instant WP is a lightweight, portable local server environment specifically designed for WordPress. It allows you to set up a fully functional WordPress site on your computer without the need for extensive configuration. With Instant WP, you can work on your themes, templates, and updates offline, providing a convenient and isolated testing environment for yourself. In our upcoming tutorial, we'll delve into the details of Instant WP, showcasing its ease of use and practical Instant WP, showcasing its ease of use and practical features. So if you're looking for a straightforward solution to enhance your local WordPress development, stay tuned for more valuable insights. At Racknerd, we insights. At Racknerd, we provide helpful guides and Arachnid, we provide helpful guides and tutorials that will elevate your webmaster skills to the next level. And if you happen to be seeking a reliable hosting experience, we've got you covered. Simply subscribe and visit Arachnid. Simply subscribe and visit Arachnid. Simply subscribe and visit Arachnid.com. With that said, so if you're looking for insights at Arachnid.com, we provide insights. We provide helpful guides at Arachnid.com and tutorials that will elevate your webmaster skills to the next level. And if you have Stay tuned for more valuable insights. We provide helpful guides. So if you're looking for a straightforward solution to enhance your local WordPress development, stay tuned for more valuable insights. We provide helpful guides for WordPress development. Stay tuned for more valuable insight. We provide helpful guides at Ragnar.com. Local WordPress development. We provide helpful guides at Ragnar. Local WordPress development at Ragnar.com. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and tutorials that will elevate development. Stay tuned for more valuable insights. We provide helpful guides at Ragnar.com. Local WordPress development. Stay tuned for more valuable WordPress development. We provide helpful guides at Ragnar. So if you're looking for a straightforward solution to enhance your local WordPress development, stay tuned for more valuable insights at Ragnar.com. We provide Ragnar, we provide help. So if you're looking for a straightforward solution to enhance your local WordPress development, stay tuned for more valuable development. Stay tuned. At Ragnar, we provide helpful guides and tutorials. WordPress development. Stay tuned. At Ragnar, we provide helpful guides and tutorials that will elevate your web. WordPress development. Stay tuned. At Ragnar, we provide helpful guides and tutorials that will elevate your webmaster skills. WordPress development. Stay tuned at Ragnar. So if you're looking for a straightforward solution to enhance your local WordPress development, stay tuned. At Ragnar, we provide helpful guides and tutorials that will elevate your webmaster skills to the next level. And if you happen to be seeking a reliable hosting experience, we've got you covered. Simply subscribe and visit Ragnar.com.
activate the music for now, the media of the music. So we're gonna Next is I'm gonna adjust the size of this graphics by going over to going within the essential graphics tab. So this is how you can do it. Of course, you already know that, I believe, but in case you're just a beginner, this is how it works. And as you can see, it seems like you can't really see it that much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on the media or my footage, and I'm gonna cut it off, cut the footage, and I'm gonna copy the effect that I made for this specific template or this project. Paste it, okay, and it should now dim. So what I did is it has an effect of dimming and a little bit of a blur. It's not that obvious yet, the blur thing, because the media has not been rendered, the sequence has not been rendered yet fully. As you can see, it's red and here is yellow. So to render it, all you need to do is, of course, render in and out. And as you can see, it now shows the blur. So we're done with that. Host your local WordPress easier than ever with instant
Do you want a tool that can simplify your WordPress development process? Well, Instant WP is worth considering.
So that should be it. Actually, guys, if you're editing this, if you want to highly edit, if I were to edit this as much as I want to, I'll probably add a lot of motion graphics. Within he mentioned that there's the WP instead of
At Racknerd, we provide helpful guides and tutorials that will elevate your webmaster skills to the next level. And if you happen to be seeking a reliable hosting experience, we've got you covered. Simply subscribe and visit Racknerd.com. With that said,
This is done. Let me just it's too loud.
Do you want a tool that can simplify your WordPress development process? Do you want a tool that can simplify your WordPress development? Do you want a tool that can simplify your WordPress?
So the next thing is to adjust the colors. So I already created a lot, and as mentioned before, what I do with adding the lot that I make is I always add it within the source section. So I'll just go to the effects, and here it is, and I'll just drag it to the source, and um, it should add it within the source. So it will add it all here, even I already cut this off the media or the clip or the footage. So it should be good to go. So all I need to do now is to render it. Oh, I forgot the captions, by the way, so I'm sorry. So let me just create the captions right now. The same thing we already have, like a style. This one here, single. So this is the nice thing about using Premiere Pro with CapCut. Although CapCut is also great, I use that tool as well for projects that I need to do a lot of visual effects. But with Premiere Pro, we can customize or create templates for projects that we have the same effects and what do you call this? The same. I think it is effects. So if the structure is just the same for your particular project, and it is very helpful that you can save the customization that you created for that kind of project, for that particular project. But for those like for example, for if you don't want to use the same effect as for every project that you're working on, that's the time that I use CapCut, because it has a lot of built-in animations that I don't really need to create or to keyframe within Premiere Pro, since I'm not an After Effects user, so it will be very difficult for me to keyframe everything one over and over, unless for those effects or animations that it will be applicable for generic gestures of a certain animation. But since I want a simpler way to work on my projects, and I use CapCut for that. But for this, since this is just basic, and I like using Premiere Pro because probably cut this here. So as you can see, the video here has been cut, as you can see. So within this area, his head is within the center of, almost within the center of the portrait. And when you go here, it is quite it moved up to here instead of here. So I cut off so I'm gonna adjust this one here, the lowered portrait to this height here. So I will nest this up. I'll try to nest this so that I can move this within the effects control easily. I will also, by the way, scale it a little bit because as you can see there is a space here. Or maybe what I would do is instead of pushing it up, I'll probably just scale it, center it a little bit. Add this here, center it in here, like that. And it will be different from here, as you can see, but it's fine. At least it's not too low. Maybe I can just adjust it as well.
skills to the next level. And if you happen to be seeking a reliable hosting experience, we've got you covered. Simply subscribe and visit Ragnar.